One of the growers that Bill sells his seed to is Josh Bunger, a potato farmer in Pasco. Today, we're taking a trip in the rain to see how potatoes start from the seed. Well, good morning, Josh. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Nice, beautiful, rainy, late summer's day here in Pasco.
Tends to happen this time of year.
This potato field is about ready to be dug up, correct?
Yep, it's in the process now, so.
Well, let's go out and grab a couple plants, and then maybe we'll head on inside and talk a little bit about these potatoes.
Perfect.
All right, let's go.
Sounds good.
Now, is it good or bad when it rains like this for harvesting?
It makes things tougher, yes.
Does it just kind of like gum up the works a little bit?
Yeah, makes a little more dirt come in. The vines get ropey. So we'll dig a few tubers here. Dig a couple plants.
Oh man, look at the size of that guy. Give me some sour cream.
Man, that's a nice potato.
You know, that's quite a few potatoes just for this small little foot of ground right here.
That's what we're shooting for.
I mean, that's great. Now, how big is this field we're standing in?
This is about 80 acres.
And we're getting this many potatoes just from this little plot of land here. So 80 acres is gonna produce?
Well, we're hoping for around 35 ton to the acres, kind of what we've been averaging lately, so.
Really?
Yep, we had a late planting season and worried about it, but things have turned out really good. We ended up with a good crop.
Well, look, just in this few little sections of dirt, we got ourselves a good little crop right there.
Yep.
Those are good. We had to retreat because it's raining outside, but that doesn't mean that you guys stop working now, does it?
No.
This is a beautiful looking tuber right there, isn't
that'll
it?
make a nice French fry.
And we've got some variety of sizes here. And this little nugget, what'll happen to that one?
So that'll get turned into hash browns.
Oh,
be diced
okay.
and made into a tater tot or a hash brown.
Nice. Maybe just 2 tots, maybe 1.
Yeah.
Now, tell me about the cycle of the potato. From the beginning, a seed is nothing more than a piece of a potato.
Yeah. We shoot for around a 2-ounce seed piece for our planters. So that one would probably just get seed treatment and planted. Now a tuber this size, we would cut it in half. And what we shoot for is an eye on every potato. So say that potato's cut in half, we want an eye on every potato. An eye will grow a shoot. So every seed piece needs to have an eye, otherwise it won't grow a plant. So this one will just get a vertical cut, so that would be a seed piece. That'd make 2 potato plants right there.
Right there.
This seed piece will probably grow 8 to 10 tubers underneath it. We're 100% process growers, so all our potatoes are French fries in 2 hours. We're direct digs, we don't store any. So.
Oh wow.
So yeah, within the hour, we dig them, load them, send them to the plant, and they're French fries within 2 hours.
Ooh,
so
that's fresh. We're not gonna stop eating French fries anytime soon.
Yeah, the world likes French fries, which is a good thing. So it keeps us in business.
And tater tots and curly cubes.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much for bringing us out. We really appreciate what you do, and I mean, every time I eat a potato, I gotta say thanks to my potato farmers.
You betcha.
You guys are great. Thanks, man.
Thank you.